Today we're going to take a look at OnePlus Buds Pro 2 in Obsidian Black. Gadget Beard. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech gadgets and accessories for you. And in today's video we have the OnePlus Buds Pro 2 in Obsidian Black. Shout out to them for sending these out for review. These are a high-res wireless audio earbuds there. OnePlus, what is it? Dynamic audio is what they're calling it. I don't know. You got a bunch of mumbo jumbo here on the back. Same thing, OnePlus there. Boom, boom, boom. Nice packaging, typical OnePlus packaging. Let's see what we get when we buy the OnePlus Buds Pro 2, Buds for life. Now you do get your stickers. Do they have stickers? Never settle. Warranty information. You do get a red cable card club. Make sure you scan that and join the OnePlus red cable club. A little bit about the speakers there. Melody Boost dual driver technology on the OnePlus Buds Pro 2 is co-created by Den Audio. I don't know how to pronounce that too. Is it Den Audio or Dynaudio? Dynaudio redefined flagship sound experience, deeper bass, clearer vocals, and pure harmony, which is absolutely fantastic. As you can see the design there of the earbud. And then a little thing from Pete, nice little card there, and you have the instruction manual here on how to set up your earbuds. And last but not least, you do have the earbuds themselves. Bam! Very nice case, may I say, and very solid. You do have OnePlus Dynaudio there. Bam! Look at this nice matted black. It does catch a little bit of fingerprints, but it goes away. And then the earbuds themselves nicely placed there, laid out for you to see. And then it says co-created with Dynaudio on the inside. Very nice presentation there, if I add. And it's letting you know where the touch area for each bud is, and I believe it's on the inner part of the earbud. There is what they are showing you. What else is inside here? Wow, very nice presentation. Shout out to OnePlus there. You do have other earbuds there for other sizes, nicely laid out for you. Bam, look at that. That is top tier packaging right there. And I believe this is gonna be your charging cable. Yes, this is your charging cable, which it is type C to USB. Bam, very nice presentation. Let's check real quick if these are wireless charging. And they are wireless charging. These wirelessly charge as well as plug-in. Bam, look at that. You can see the light there charging, and when I remove it, it goes away. Put it back on there and they wireless charge. Absolutely fantastic. So we got that out of the way. Let's take a look at the earbud itself. Very nice constructive earbud here. It looks very good. Very similar to the AirPod Pros there, but I like the black design. Very simplistic. Obsidian Black is what they're calling it. And it does come in another green, arbor green as well, if you want to go that route. But these look fantastic. You do got a mic port there, another speaker port there. There's speakers everywhere on this bad boy. Let's head and look at that drum. Look at that drum right there. Boom. Looks fantastic. Place that back on here. At least just wireless charge like this. You just place them back in there and they charge. Let's take a look at the left one. Now the left one's gonna be the same. No issues with the left one. Boom, everything is exactly the same. Now let's go ahead and grab the OnePlus 11 and pair this bad boy up. And look at that, boom, they're ready to pair. As soon as you open these up, it shows up on your OnePlus or any device. Easy pairing. I absolutely love when you can pair your device. Super simplistic and easy to do. Let's go ahead and see if they are any good. And voila, device connected, and they're done. Let me put these in my ear. Very nice fitment. They fit absolutely, actually they fit really, really good in my ear. Let's go ahead and open up this, and let's go ahead and play this song and see how well they sound. All right off the back, these sound very, very bassy, very, very clear and nice. Everything is controlled within the OnePlus. If you go here, there you go. Just keep scrolling. Earbuds functions. Look at that. Everything's built in within the phone, and there is a firmware update. Let's go ahead and download and install. Dude, it doesn't get better than that. This thing is absolutely fantastic. Let this update real quick, and I'll come back and give you my final thoughts. Right, we're back, and they're all nice and updated. Dude, like I said, dual connection. Look at that. You can connect your earbuds to two devices at the same time. Let's go ahead and go noise cancellation. Very nice tones and beeps in there. You do have a Soundmaster equalizer there. I have it on balance, but you can go bold, serenity, bass. This thing is very bass heavy. Let's go to bass. Golden sound setting. It tests your ears for best sounding experience, the spatial audio, which is absolutely fantastic. You can fix it. You can do head tracking. This thing is absolutely fantastic. And you can actually try it in the app, and it's absolutely fantastic. High res mode, turn on, bam, look at that. So, as you can see, the earbuds there, they absolutely look fantastic. They fit just fine in the ear. These things are absolutely a beast. I can't wait to see you guys can try them out, dude. You guys got to try them out. These earbuds are absolutely fantastic. They blew my mind. I strongly recommend them. For $179.99, I think they're well worth the price. They have a bunch of features. They sound absolutely fantastic. I can't explain how well they sound, how good they are. It has high-res audio, spatial audio, wireless charging, everything that you need are in these earbuds, and they fit and feel nice in the ear. If you have any questions regarding these earbuds, please let me know down in the comment section below. Let me know if you've experienced these, because they're absolutely fantastic. I'm not playing around. If you're going to pick up some earbuds, I think these are the ones to pick up. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.